for life. Never my life, that shit was trite. Now my neck, my wrist got ice. It was sometimes I wanted to die. It was sometimes I wanted to cry. It was sometimes I cut myself. I really thought I was Michael Myers. I tell the truth, put that on my. I got a hole in my mouth. I'm in the cut like a motherfucking bandage. I got a hole in my.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tykwon, man. I'm back with another video, man. Y'all see I got on that Mickey D shirt. Just got out work. Finna quit that shit soon. Finna quit that shit in about 2 weeks. That shit can't do that shit. But I wanna let y'all know I got an unboxing today. As you can see, ordered me a pet. Surprise animal coming in the mail. So y'all comment below what it is, which I think it is. And man, yeah, let's just get to it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Trying to come to y'all with the content daily, but the Wi-Fi been acting up, so I can't really upload like that. But just I'm trying. And let's get to it. As y'all can see, I got the package from Underground Reptiles. Let me tell you, this shit good. Hopefully he ain't dead. Hopefully y'all ain't see the name, cause I think I just showed y'all the name, but get this shit open. Hold on. What the fuck? There you go. Before I finish opening the box, before I finish opening up the package, I want to show y'all the enclosure I got for him. Y'all can see, nice little enclosure I bought. About $200. Good size too. We gotta get some live plants in here. Misting going on. We gotta get the water system going. But yeah, then I got this right here for a deal. They gave me this for free. Added it on with the cage. So, but yeah, let's open up the package. I'm gonna put the camera down. It's time. I need a drum roll. Oh shit. Oh shit, y'all. This is gonna be crazy. Trying to get the bag open. Oh shit, y'all, look at this. Oh my God. Look at him. What's up, boy? What's What's up there, buddy? Oh my God. Look at him, y'all. I'm naming him Ben. Kinda scared right now. I don't know if he's friendly or if he mean. He big though. Good size. Kinda scared. He look kinda scared. Let him go see what he got doing. No. Look at him going on my street. Oh! Oh shit, what the fuck? He trying to attack me. He's trying to bite me. Chill, buddy. No, Ben. Look at him, y'all. He beautiful. This nigga crazy. Huge crest on his head. Nice size. Beautiful. Look at him. Oh. Feisty little nigga. He feisty, y'all. Ben feisty. Ben feisty. Ben shiesty. Ben shiesty. That's your new name, boy. Ben shiesty. Ben shiesty. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Ben shiesty. Yeah, man. Finna go get some water, put some water on him, mist him down. He probably been in the package for about 2 days, so he probably a little dehydrated. Let me get some water for him.
Why the water is oh my god? The water got my soup. Then you water got my soup.